Hi, my name is Tom, and I'm president here at Clear Choice Window Cleaning, and I'm happy to explain our instant bid process to you. We're delighted to give you access to the same bidding tool that our technicians use out in the field when giving quotes. One of the many things that separates Clear Choice apart from our local counterparts is that we have designed our entire process to be geared toward giving the customer what they want, when they want it, while always communicating so that you'll always understand where we're at in the entire process. Of course, if you'd rather talk to us in the office than use this bidding tool, simply call us at 703-829-0288 and we can walk you through the entire process or on site if that is more convenient for you. As you go through this process, you'll be asked for the information that we need to build you an accurate quote. Don't worry if you aren't exactly sure about the right answer. Just give your best effort, and this bidding tool software will give you a price based on the input you provide. We will be able to edit your responses later and clarify your responses with you over the phone or on the job site as needed. We hope you enjoy using this tool that we make available for your convenience, and we look forward to showing you all about how we've made our entire customer service process geared toward providing you with the best possible experience you could possibly have. Thank you very much for your consideration.